There are 1,000 ways to fold a pocket square, but I usually break them down into 3 different folds. First, there's the presidential fold. For this one, I use a square in linen to get that special texture. Quick and easy to fold, but still very elegant. Just tuck it in and fold. Then, there's the crown fold, by its name, a more formal one. It's better suited for weddings and special occasions. This square is nice if it has some colored edges that bring out the contrast between the suit and the square. Very nice. And last, we have the puff fold. It looks great when using a pocket square made out of silk. The good thing about this is that it can look kind of casual, but still classy. Always match the color of the square to the shirt and tie. So with this suit, I can go with the classic white or a paisley pattern for a more playful look. Remember that cotton, linen, and wool are a bit more casual, but silk gives a more elegant look. So choose wisely.